So last night it snowed here, okay, in Korea, and this is my first snowfall. Snowfall hua, but raat ko hua when I was sleeping, so I couldn't experience it. And moreover, like, I've been suffering from cold and fever. Right now, I'm wearing a jumper and above that a sweater as well. Okay, damn.
I reached my office, and this is how the front of my building was looking. And this is like after some time it started to snow very heavily today, alright? Okay, so let me show you guys how it's looking now. Okay, the weather is cleared. The rooftop of the buildings, like over the roads and everywhere, it was all white. It was looking like the land of the whites, like literally. And this view is from the 21st floor of my building. I had a really good luck today actually. My office got over by 4 p.m. today. That's why it was all day only when I came out of office, and the view was really very pretty, man. It's so difficult to walk right now. My god, I so badly want to play with it. Oh my god. Oh, wow, wow, wow. One of my childhood dream has just come true today. Shit, this is crazy, bro. Now look at this, man. Oh my god. Wow. Shit. Someone just asleep ho gaya basically, and then he fell. Look at this, man. Wow, Korea is so beautiful. This is so pretty. I don't want to sleep, man. Super slippery. Just look at this. Wow. Wow, man. Wow. Just wow. I don't have words, okay? Okay, this is the path that I come by every day, but today I'll just show you how it's looking, okay? Oh my god, this is so pretty, man. This is so pretty. Oh man. So I'm feeling like, I just can't explain, man. I'm so happy, man. I'm suffering from fever and cold, okay? But just so basically, if this ice falls inside me or inside my clothes, right, I'll get hypothermia. I don't want to show myself, but just look at this, man. This is the first snow. So my colleague told me that it never happens that on November itself you're getting this kind of snow, man. It never happens, but today this is miracle, man. Like, it never happens to get this bad snow. I just want to get down there and just sleep around, man. I'll do one thing. I'll just go home and just record this, okay, everything more nicely. This is so beautiful, man. This is so beautiful. Just look at this. I'm not getting enough. The tables and the chairs, man. Shit, this is crazy. Wow. So because of the snow, the whole place is like, now it's melting on roads because of cars and everything. So it's getting so dirty. But the whole place, man. Wow. I need to move faster. Wow. I'm gonna walk through this. Can you imagine? I couldn't imagine, man. I couldn't imagine that this is happening. This is so pretty. Wow. जितना दुख दर्द प्रॉब्लम्स सब माफ मतलब at this moment. Wow. Oh my god, I've never seen something like this. This is so pretty. Oh yeah, man. Fall, snowfall. Yeah, this one is. I forgot to bring my mobile stand, or else like I could have done some videos here and there. I cannot touch the ice bare hand, man. I'll just get sick very bad. I don't want to fall sick again. But this place, wow, this is super amazing. Interestingly, the weather report is saying that it's going to snow more today. So that's
really dangerous after a point actually, but it looks pretty, no doubt. Okay, very pretty. It's just so difficult to walk in this ice. This is black ice, okay? Mind you, like this is black ice. This is what the bikers are scared of when they go to Ladakh or those icy mountains during winters, no? जो भी हो, मतलब मैंने सोचा था कि शायद बाइक में मैं कभी राइड पे गया तो तब मतलब मैं इंटरेक्ट करूंगा ब्लैक आइस के साथ, बट कोई ना, चलते चलते ही किसी दूसरे देश में आके वो भी एक्सपीरियंस कर लिया, चलो वो भी सही है ना? एंड पीपल आर लुकिंग सो प्रिटी नो इन दिस. वाओ, इट्स क्रेजी वे. Wow, man, I'm not able to stop smiling. Like literally crazy, bro. Oh yeah, I was thinking something, you know, since few days. मतलब वेदर रिपोर्ट से तो पता चल गया था कि मतलब ऐसा स्नोफॉल होने वाला है, ठीक है. पर हाँ, तो मैं ये बात सोच रहा था कि ओ माय गॉड, छोटा से जब से मतलब बड़ा हुआ हूँ, हमेशा ही ठंडे दिन में ये कार्टून नेटवर्क और डिज्नी चैनल में मैं देखता था, लाइक जो ये ऑसवर्ल्ड, फिर नॉडी, फिर ये सब देखते देखते बड़ा हुआ, ठीक है. तो उनका ऐसा एपिसोड होता था जहाँ पे वो लोग मतलब स्नो में स्कूल जाते थे, तो चलते चलते बैग लेकर. तो मेरा भी बड़ा शौक था, मतलब ठीक है. तो कहीं ना कहीं आज वो शौक मेरा पूरा हुआ है. स्कूल ही नहीं, जॉब के बाद, बट ये कोई स्कूल है, ठीक है, और पार कर रहा हूँ ना स्कूल, तो समथिंग लाइक दैट, कुछ ना कुछ तो पूरा हुआ, ठीक है. तो वही है भाई साहब, मैं इनफ नहीं फील कर रहा हूँ, मतलब इतना सही लग रहा है मुझे. लुक एट दिस, ओ पूरा स्नो पड़ा. वाओ, सो ब्यूटीफुल, दिस इज सो प्रिटी. I so desperately want to make snowman, but I cannot, because if I do, I'll fall sick again. I have been suffering from fever and cold for last 2 days. I don't want to fall sick more. So yeah, बहुत रिस्की है भाई ये रास्ता में. जब ये गिर के ऐसा हो जाता है ना, ब्लैक सो द ब्लैक आइस, वेरी रिस्की. माय गॉड, ये तो कितना स्लीप होता है. शूज़ में, शूज़ के नीचे कुछ ऐसा काटा वाला लगाना पड़ेगा बेसिकली. तुम अगर सोचो कि यहाँ पे कहीं पे बैठ के तुम एस्थेटिक वीडियोस बनाओगे, वो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. मतलब इतना ठंडा है भाई, इतना ठंडा है. ये स्नो मतलब जितना देखने में सुंदर है ना, ये जो लोग थोड़ा टाइम के लिए जाते हैं, मतलब पहाड़ों में घूमने के लिए, वहाँ पे स्नो एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं, फिर वापस आ जाते हैं, मेरे को लगता है कभी कभी वही सही है. मतलब ज़्यादा लंबा अगर तुम वहाँ पे रहो ना, फिर तुमको पता चलता है कि मतलब कितना भयानक हो सकता है इन फॉर डेली लाइफ. तो लोग जो पहाड़ों में या फिर उन जगहों पे हमेशा रहते हैं स्नो के बीच, कितना भयानक हो सकता है. Look at that. Damn. My God, I wish I was child back again. Literally, I wish right now. Wow. Wow, man. I just can't explain. Just look at the stairs. चश्मा तो पहन ही नहीं सकता हूँ मैं. कितना सही है ना कोरिया का क्लाइमेट, बहुत सही है बे. सब कुछ मिलता है तुमको. क्या 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 बोलेगा, मतलब तुमको ठंडा के दिन में स्नो मिलता है, गर्म के दिन में तो अच्छा समर मिलता है, बीच है. वाओ, मतलब ओके, लेट्स ब्रेक दिस. ओके, आई एम सॉरी बट आई एम नॉट एबल टू हेल्प माई सेल्फ. ओके, wow, Christmas is going to feel like Christmas this time, literally.